There were worries this company may be moving to Mexico, but now it is celebrating 75 years in East Hartford with a brand new facility. I'm Kent Pierce. I'll take you on a tour coming up.
An East Hartford manufacturing company cut the ribbon, there it was, on a new headquarters today, and some had worried HORST Engineering would move all of its 90 jobs to Mexico. But News 8's Kent Pierce tells us how the company doubled down in its hometown instead.
Until a few years ago, this was a horribly blighted property, an eyesore in East Hartford. Now it is the new home of HORST Engineering, a precision manufacturing firm that's had its own ups and downs over the years. 75 years ago, HORST began making parts for typewriter companies. Like many other factories, it had to change with the times.
A lot of what we're hearing today is about evolution. The evolution of a family, the evolution of a company, the evolution of a community.
HORST stayed a family company for all those years. Some employees stayed for decades. But it is largely in the aerospace industry now, supplying companies like Pratt & Whitney.
We are still, as we were from our early founding in East Hartford when we had a powder mill, to this day, an arsenal for democracy.
But a few years ago, HORST felt pressure from customers to cut costs and moved some of the operation to Mexico.
That trend has not changed, that there's still demand for global suppliers. It's just that now there's a recognition that advanced manufacturing has a home in places like Connecticut.
Largely because the state has taken an active role in training people for manufacturing jobs. That is a trend not even the setbacks of the pandemic could change.
This factory was slated to be rebuilt prior to the pandemic. We've been able to persevere through the difficulties, get the job done, and now we're here to celebrate all of manufacturing.
To give you some perspective, its first manufacturing facility 75 years ago was 4,000 square feet. HORST's new home, 100,000 square feet. In East Hartford, I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.
Great to see. Thanks, Kent.